everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme declutter and clean with me, so I hope you guys enjoy. I am starting off in my bedroom today. I needed to declutter my clothes. As you could see, my dresser was busting out the seams. It was so bad, and so was my closet. There was clothes everywhere, trash everywhere. It just needed a good deep cleaning. So I'm going to be working on decluttering my clothes, cleaning out my closet, and then I'm going to also be going through my makeup bin, which is full of random stuff as well, cleaning a little bit outside, and going through my two major junk drawers in my house. So today's video is packed full of some good decluttering motivation. I have been trying to slowly but surely get better about keeping my house organized. I struggle sometimes, especially on months where I am extremely busy, like this month. I am working on a huge project outside of my home, so guess what? My house gets neglected, and it's time to whip it up into shape and try to go through my stuff and, just have less things. I also wanted to mention that anytime I go through my clothes or declutter my house, I always feel so much better. I mean, it just immediately lifts my mood. It just makes me feel more productive, less stressed, and to be able to walk in my closet at the end of all of it and just be able to find everything I need without tripping over stuff feels like out of this world. It really is amazing, and it seems so simple, but sometimes us moms, we get busy and things get behind, our closets get a mess, and that's okay. Just gotta make time to tackle it. And I hope that you're able to clean with me today, or maybe turn this on in a few days when you're up for it and we can just tackle it together. But I also wanted to remind you to make sure you're donating your gently used items. You'd be very surprised how much really nice stuff ends up in landfills that someone else could really use. So if you have a shelter near you, donate to a shelter, a local church. Even schools sometimes accept clothing donations, so always be mindful of that. And, it keeps the landfills not as full, and it also helps someone else in need.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Alright, so whenever I am decluttering, I usually get extremely overwhelmed, not gonna lie. I mean, I will turn around after all this and I look at the bed like, what have I done? Why did I do this? This is a nightmare. But it always pays off in the end. So sometimes you might be feeling like a little overwhelmed when you're decluttering. Just know that when you're finally done and you have everything sorted out where it needs to go, you will feel 1,000 times better. So don't give up. Please don't give up. I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. And when I'm decluttering, I go section by section instead of pulling out all of my clothes and putting them in one pile. Like some people do recommend. I can't physically do that. I will literally cry. I will lose it. And I will just throw everything away and want to start over. So I do it by, little by little. I throw the things that I know don't fit or that I want to donate all in one pile. And then at the very end, I go through and I just add it to the garbage bag. Okay, so here's a entire wardrobe full of clothes that I've held on to for years, hoping that they would fit me better. Like the jeans, for instance, like they just don't fit my body shape that great. So I've held on to all this stuff, hoping, maybe one day I'll like the way it fits, or I don't know why, but it feels good to finally just let it go. So I am going to go ahead and start working on bagging up the clothes, and I did try to do this a little bit different. What I did was I put all the really gently used items together in one bag, and then in a separate bag I will, put all the other items that are donatable, but they're not as great quality as the other bag, if that makes sense. Because my hope is to donate this one bag to a women's shelter. Hopefully I can find one or find a family that might be, having some struggles, and hopefully these clothes will fit and just kind of lift someone's spirits. I was recently talking to my friend Becca just about women's shelters and how a lot of times women come in with just the clothes that are on their back, and donations like these really change their life. As simple as it may seem, a nice outfit, a new pair of shoes can really just change your mood, and I really hope that I can provide that for someone with the clothes that I was able to declutter and, kind of make my life easier. I'm making someone else's life a little better. So it's always a great thing to keep in mind. But anyway, I'm just going to bag this stuff up, and then I will go through my shoes in just a few minutes.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change.
So now that all the clothes have been gone through, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my shoe bin, which is slap full of shoes that I hardly wear. I actually just got new boots for the winter. So I'm going to go through all of those, and then I have all this to go through.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
I'm just quickly going to vacuum out my closet, and my dog has to follow me everywhere I go, so she moved my tripod out of the way so that way she could squeeze in here to be in the closet with me. And she doesn't move either. Like when I'm like, back up, and the vacuum is going, she does not care. She's like, I'm just going to stand right here, right in the way. But I started by putting the shoes on this one side, and then decided that I didn't really like the way it was flowing, so I ended up moving it in just a little bit. So it is now time to go through all my makeup, nail stuff. I need to declutter this so bad. I hardly use all these products. I mean, I use all the nails for sure. I just need to organize them a little bit better. And look at all the dust flying around. Holy moly. That's not healthy. It's fine. But yeah, see, it's nasty in there. Nasty. Let me clean this all out.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Ooh,
Okay, so now I have all my nails in this basket, which I did need a bigger basket because I have some more nail polishes in the other bathroom I'll add to this. And then I have all my makeup I use on a just daily basis right here, except the eyelashes. I just like to keep those all together, but much nicer and all nice and clean. And then all of this does not belong in either of these baskets. It goes in the bathroom, so I gotta put that away. I have some random stuff here, my blow dryer, and how random is that? Handles for a cabinet in my makeup and nail bin. It makes no sense. Alright, so I think it was like months ago I did a declutter on this bathroom, and it's, you know, stayed in pretty decent shape. It's not like too full or anything like that, but since I went through my makeup and the nail bin, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly reorganize this, go through anything that I haven't touched since the last time I decluttered and try to get rid of that and just kind of reorganize a bit.
From the start, wish you never leave me. Am I going too far? But I want you close.
Okay, so here is the bathroom now. I didn't really get rid of anything because honestly all the stuff that's in here we actually use, besides those products back there, but I do use this on like an occasion, so I don't want to get rid of them. But what I did was I just stacked my makeup right on top of the nail products since I don't use this on a regular basis. I have all of our hair products here. My daughter has all her like dress up pretend and bows and stuff. I have my hair tools. There's not that many in there, but an iron, my bed head waver, blow dryer, and then I have our perfumes back here, extra hair color, and that's it. So here's all the stuff that I plan on getting rid of. But not this week, girl. Why are you sitting like that? You're so cute. Here we have garbage. These are shoes that are still in good condition that can be donated. This bag has a lot of nicer clothes, like nice jeans, like very gently worn shirts. And then this one is clothes that are a little bit more worn, but still able to donate. So that is what I have there. So at this point, I just randomly needed to vacuum the floors. I try to vacuum the floors at least once a day to keep up with the dog hair and just crumbs and things. You know how it is with kids and dogs. But I'm just going to quickly vacuum. I'm not mopping or anything. I just figured why not? I'm already about to do it. I might as well share it. And then as soon as I'm done with this, I did go out back on the back patio and I'll be cleaning that all off and coming back in and tackling the two worst junk drawers of all time.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, good shape is up. You're not that tough with me. So run away with me. Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I made you feel alright. Run away with me. And I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another.
So if you don't have a junk drawer, then we can't be friends. I'm just joking. Seriously though, this is bad. Like, how does this happen? All these little trinkets and all these little things just end up all in these drawers. And you know what? If anybody ever needed anything, I got you covered. Just come over, ask to see my junk drawer. I'm sure you can find something that you need in this pile. Seriously though, it's not funny. I mean, it is. It's funny to me because it's not just me who fills this drawer, by the way. So let me just defend myself. We all do it. We all will put stuff on the counter, and then if I'm like, hey, it's time to clean up, everybody just does like a sweep right off the counter right into the drawers, and it works. And we close the drawer and nobody knows it's there but us. And honestly, these two drawers they're the worst. I wish I could just take them away because they are just a catch-all area, and clearly I needed to go through this months and months ago, but at least I'm tackling it now.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend.
Okay, so I wanted to share the drawers now that they're all cleaned out. So all this stuff right here will go out to my shed where I keep all my, like DIY supplies. But I do have a few things out here just to, for easy access. I mean, a lot of times I'll just grab like batteries from here, a tape measure, stuff like that. So I kept that all in there. This one I decided to leave empty for now. This was all the trash. Super crazy. All that is just garbage and junk mail and all kinds of just random stuff. And then over here, I do have all my paperwork stacked, mail that I've received that I need to shred, that I don't, it's all garbage, but it all needs to be shredded. So I just kind of put it over there so I can go through that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it motivated you. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.